大家好，好久不见！现在过年了，我们又回来啦！
回来啦！
回到我们美丽的大水宁，看看外面下着大雪。今天我们来看看我的爷爷奶奶，你高兴吗？
高兴。
对，然后等一下再去接我的妈妈。Let's go!
Let's go! It really was snowing so heavily. 我们回来了。还没吃饭。我要头你吃。我不吃。不要头。我们等一会儿要去家我的妈妈。
等会儿去孙女家妈的，等会儿。
那羊头你吃？
俺不吃羊头，你吃吧。
你姐来了？
还没来呢，还得过1个礼拜。
My husband's grandma is so sweet. I remember the first time I met her 4 years ago now, and she wouldn't let go of my hands then either. She's so cute.
走，我们去孙宁吧。
好的。
走。
过2天再见。这是什么？
好吃的，好喝的。别看！
你怎么还害羞啊？
我不好看。
谢谢。Today was so snowy. I'm from London, so I'm not used to this much snow.
这叫瑞雪兆丰年，你知道什么意思吗？
我不知道。
这是一个很好的年。走，吃点小吃。粉河里小吃街，去看看有什么吃的。好多好吃的。
This food hall is actually underneath the mall. We stopped here after picking up my mother-in-law from the station because we were all pretty hungry, and it's a 45-minute drive back to my husband's hometown.
太河板面。
My husband got lamb noodle soup with this crispy flatbread. My mother-in-law and I both got ban mian, which are these noodles. There's a delicious broth and the best chilies. Me and my husband always add extra.
看那个辣椒，多香！这辣椒不辣，但是非常香。你可以试一个。小可板面好吃吗？
好吃，我特别喜欢那个辣椒。
喜欢那个辣椒。对，看买了一个大白菜。走，回家。
回家。
明天是好朋友结婚大喜之日，今天带小可来给他帮忙布置一下婚房，明天就迎新娘喽。
This is a traditional Chinese wedding in the countryside.
小可，加油！打气球了啊！
He's talking about a few of John John's friends who didn't make it to help. This is the night before the wedding dinner and for everyone who helped. Hello everyone! It is 6:56 a.m. and we are ready to go to a wedding. Well, not ready yet. I'm still doing my makeup, but we're in the car on our way. And we just left the house. Today is a snowy day. Very snowy. But we're going to a traditional Chinese wedding, so it'll be nice. It's my husband's friends. They're really sweet. They're such a lovely couple. So I'm so happy to be a part of their wedding and get to celebrate with them. We just stopped for breakfast. 还有什么？
还有啥红棒？豆腐。
It's literal ice on the roads. I'm not kidding you. It's very stressful. The most that my husband can drive is 40 kilometers per hour, and that's if there are no cars in the distance. It's scary, but we we have to go to this wedding because we missed all the others because of COVID restrictions and things like that. So we've got to go to this one. Everyone showed up to ours. Yeah, we are determined to make it and try to make it on time as well. But they're leaving the house at 8 to go and get the bride. So we need to kind of be at his friend's around 8. And we're going to pick up one of his other friends as well. So we'll see. We'll see. The chefs are preparing all the things they need in advance. The family of the newlyweds all wear corsages with their relationship to the bride and groom on them. For example, this says mother of the groom on it. The wedding cars have gifts for the bride's family inside them.
出发喽！出发接新娘子喽！
Like chickens. The wedding cars could not get up this ramp, so we all had to get out and push the cars. When we got to the bride's house, the groom had to pay money in a hongbao or red envelope to the bridesmaids to be allowed into the room. Then the groom answered questions about the bride, giving money for every answer he got wrong. Now the groom is trying to find the bride's shoes. Obviously, you can't leave the house without shoes, so if he can't find them, he has to pay some more money. And then a family photo before leaving the bride's house. The bride's family don't go to the groom's house for the ceremony, so this is where they give her away. The bride and groom bow to the groom's family as they receive money. And finally, the wedding feast. 24 dishes to round off the day. And then we go home.
阿弟，你这咋给吃的？给狗吃。狗吃。